More than 40 Americans die every day from a prescription opioid overdose. That's why the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention is announcing new recommendations for prescribing these types of meds for chronic pain. News 8's Kyle Dimke is live in our newsroom tonight with more. Kyle.
Mike, opioids are medications such as morphine and oxycodone. They're also illegal drugs such as heroin. The new CDC recommendations will give providers the information they need to make better decisions about treatment. Tonight, the village of Chaseburg is also talking about curbing the drug problems they're seeing closer to home. The Chaseburg population sign reads 284, but the village board knows just because it's a small town doesn't mean it doesn't have the same problems with drugs as the big city.
We just want the public to be aware of the drug problem that's going on in the area.
The village president says Chaseburg isn't seeing much for drugs, and he doesn't want that to change.
We're just trying to protect our small town and keep it safe.
That's why the village board asked the Vernon County Sheriff and the West Central Meg Unit to host a drug awareness meeting, giving a presentation to residents about the drug trends in Vernon County.
Methamphetamine is a big thing in Vernon County, along with the trickle effect of heroin coming from La Crosse.
Heroin use and abuse has increased nationwide. Lieutenant Bierkes agrees with the CDC. It has become an epidemic. That's why the CDC is issuing new recommendations, which doctors are not required to follow, encouraging physical therapy, exercise, and over-the-counter pain meds before prescribing prescription painkillers. The Vernon County Sheriff's Department says it can't fight drug abuse alone. It needs the public's help. That's why meetings like this are so beneficial to both the department and the community.
We want our kids to grow up strong and drug-free, keep our community strong. This is what Chaseburg is all about.
There are 12 recommendations from the CDC. Among them are non-opioid treatment for chronic pain outside of active cancer and end-of-life care. And if an opioid is used for pain, prescribe the lowest effective dose to reduce risks of use and overdoses. Mike?
Okay, thanks a lot, Kyle. The Vernon County Sheriff wants to remind everyone that if they do see something suspicious, to report it. The department says it can't do anything if it is not alerted to the issue. You can call your local Crime Stoppers if you would like to remain anonymous.